Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. It is Ipsy and Macy's for the month of April. I actually just ordered Allure because they have the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer as part of the box. And I found a discount code on Reddit for $5 off. So 20 bucks for that. I was very excited. It also has a perfume in it. So look for that. I'm going to just throw that in my beauty haul, I think, instead of doing another unboxing. So that's coming up. But I do have Macy's and I have Ipsy, and I wanted to see how they do. Let's do Macy's first. I don't remember which one I did first last month, but they have it wrapped really tightly this month. They do have their little card. It is 10 off of 40 this month, which is awesome. And it is spring into perfect picks. Hopefully it's better than last month. I was kind of like meh about last month. There was no perfumes, which that was a big bummer for me because I love the perfumes. All right, first thing I'm seeing in here is the MAC Stack Mascara. I think I tried this and I was not a big fan of it. I don't remember. I need to look at my, from last year, my totals, my inventories. But, I've heard not great things if I haven't tried it. I know, I've heard some people who do not like it. We have Flower Bomb Tiger Lily, which is awesome, by Viktor and Rolf. This is a new fragrance, so I'm really excited to have something really new. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm, and it is in the shade Rose. I love Rose. I've gone through a full size of Rose, and I think a travel size, but not this size travel. Oh my gosh, so darling. I wonder how much is it. Will it go back down? It will go back down. Okay. One of theirs would not go back down. Okay, that's actually not too bad. This is going in my purse, and I will be using this, and it's going to be gone in the next month. That will be gone very quickly, for sure. Then we have, this is from YSL. This is the Glow and Balm. Oh, I used this before. I just was shocked to see it in a foil packet. We don't get a lot of foil packets from Macy's, so that's a little disappointing that it's a foil packet. These are stuck together. This is from Nude Stick. It is the Nudies Matte and Glow Core Magenta Magic All Over Face Blush Color. Oh. Okay. So it has that built in. That's interesting. We'll give it a swatch. Ooh, that's a lot. And it's funny because it goes, it's not up to the top for sure. I don't know how much I'm going to like this. I don't think I'd use this as a lipstick for sure. But it's a little sticky for a blush. We'll see how that goes. Now I have it on my hands. All right, in this packet, we have two little powder puffs with the little thing here, which I know people have been talking about. So I guess I can try those. I've never tried those. At least I can try one of them. And then there's these little clips. I don't know. I don't think those are really my style, but I don't do a lot of hairstyling things. I feel like they're maybe a little young for the Macy's box crowd because I don't feel like a lot of Gen Z are really going for this, and I feel like this kind of screams Gen Z. I could be prejudiced though, so let me know. This is the Adore Lash Lifting Volumizing Mascara from Lancome. Not my favorite mascara, so I will pass that one along. They sent us 2 mascaras. That's a little weird. Only 1 perfume, but at least it's a perfume. Yeah. And then the last thing in here is the Tony Moly I'm Rose sheet mask. I do really like their sheet masks, and Rose is one that I will use. So, not a terrible box. Not the best. Kind of weird to have 2 mascaras. I know at least one of these mascaras I will be passing along. This one for sure. Maybe this one. Need to do a little research. If you remember, you could let me know down below. Then the Glow and Balm, I will use this, but foil packet. Perfume, glad to have a perfume, so I will use that. Sheet mask, I will use this is the thing I'm most excited about, the Maracuja lip balm. Not crazy about this, but this also does seem like pretty good size. So there's that. And then you have these little guys, which are better than some of the other things that they've sent. I will say that because it feels like there's at least 4 things in exchange for the bag. But let me know. I'm kind of like, it's not terrible. It's not fantastic, but it's okay. Here we go. I pulled this out and I was like, it's so cute. It's like almost like a canvasy type material. The little peach on this is so cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then inside, there was a brush outside in the envelope that I just shoved in there. This is from, I don't know. Let's see if they tell me this month. They do. Yay. All right, so this is the Be Your Own Desire concealer brush. Okay, I see it. It's kind of tapered on this side. I wasn't seeing it from this angle. I don't use concealer brushes, so I think I will pass this one along. It feels pretty soft. It's an $18 brush, just not something I necessarily will use. The next thing in here is a Ace Beauté liquid blush. So I guess this is a blush month this month. Get out my handy butter knife because it just helps. Ooh, that's so cute. I really like the packaging on that with the light purple. That color looks really pretty actually. Ooh, it is peach. I was not expecting, I thought it was going to be more pinky. I don't know. Ooh. This kind of reminds me of the blush that I have from Rare Beauty in terms of shade. Okay. I don't know what to think about that because that's not something I normally would get. Then we have from Elemis, this is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Okay, excited about that one. That I will always use. The full size of this retails for $54, which is 60 ml. So this is a third of the size. So that's a pretty good value. And the Ace Beauté, the full size retails for $23, and that's a 5 ml. And this is a 2.5 grams. That doesn't help. I love when they're like grams and ounces, and the other one they're putting in mils. How do you compare? How do you know what the sizes are and how much value it is? Come on, people. It's not their fault. But all right, Odacite Vitamin C and E Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Okay, this is such a cute little bubble wrap packet. I've never seen that tiny. So this is pretty tiny. A 30 ml of this retails for $78. That's expensive, but I will definitely use the vitamin C serum, so we're happy for that. And then the last thing is the thing that I picked, and I was a little on the fence, like, what do I want to get? I don't really want to get, like, put in for a moisturizer because that seems pretty boring, and I feel like I've had pretty boring boxes lately. Like last month was a disappointment. So this is Chica Beauty. It is Get It Chica, Chica Beauty, Get It Chica. Okay, that's what it says on that, which is also what it says on the palette. It's a cute little palette. Kind of reminds me of like a smaller version of ColourPop's. They did some palettes like the Soul palette and stuff. The color story is pretty nice. Let me wipe off my hands so that I can swatch some of them for you. I'm not going to swatch all of them, but I'll do a couple of the mattes. We'll do like the darker 2 mattes. So I did these 2 right here, and then these 2 right here. So the blue and the purple, and then like that pretty light shade. Trying to look in the viewfinder and see what I'm doing is a little awkward. Okay, those actually don't look too bad. Skipped a little bit over that vein in the middle of my hand, but seem pretty good. They feel soft. They don't feel crunchy or anything. So there's that. That's interesting. This little palette retails for $15, which yeah, I guess I can see that. It's a little bit, feels like a little bit elevated from drugstore, and drugstore is expensive now. So overall, what do I think of Ipsy this month? We'll use this. We'll use this. A little on the fence about the blush, just because that's not what I normally go for. The moisturizer for sure I'll use, so 3 for sure, 1 maybe, and then 1 nah, not for me. Much better than last month. I love the bag. Oh my gosh, so cute on the bag. So I feel like they stepped up their game, got me some more interesting things. Didn't feel like really boring things like last month. So I'm going to say that Ipsy won this month, but let me know which you feel did better. Did you like my Macy's better? Did you like my Ipsy better? What did you get in your Ipsy? Let me know that down below as well. And if you haven't already liked and subscribed, please consider doing so. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.